Boys and girls, it's Mrs. Tucker right here, and we are going to work on beginning sounds. All right, we have the letter J, which makes the J sound, like jacks, or jeep, or jar, or jack-o'-lantern. All right, we have the letter P, which makes the P sound, like penguin, paints, pig, or pear. And then right here we have the letter G, which makes the G sound, like goat, gorilla, guitar, and goose. So I'm going to take these pictures and I'm going to mix them up, and we are going to try to decide. See, I'm mixing them up, mixing them up, mixing them up. We're going to decide whether they go next to the J, the P, or the G. My first picture is a jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. Does jack-o'-lantern makes the J, P, or G? Jack-o'-lantern. I agree. I think it makes the J sound. Okay, now we have paints. Ooh, I like to paint, even though I'm not very good at it. I still like it. Paints, say paints. Does paints make the J, P, or G sound? Paints. You're right. Penguin, P, paints. Okay, the next one I have is a jar. You could put flour or sugar, or some of you might have a cookie jar at your house. Does jar make the J, P, or G sound? Jar. Yep, we're going to put that right next to the jack-o'-lantern. Ooh, you might have seen this on TV or at a zoo. It's a gorilla. Say gorilla. All right, would gorilla make the J sound, P sound, or G sound? Gorilla. I think so too. How about the Jeep? That's a kind of car that you can drive in. Jeep. Say Jeep. With Jeep, do you hear the J sound, the P sound, or the G sound? Jeep. I'm going to put it up here with the J's. Ooh, how about this? This is a guitar. Guitar. You can make music with a guitar. Does guitar start with the J sound? Guitar. P sound? Guitar. Or G sound? Guitar. Ooh, I think so too. G. G. How about this? That's a pear. I like the taste of pears, but it kind of feels funny on my tongue, so I don't eat pears. But they're actually very good. Pear. Say pear. Would pear start with the J sound? J. Pear. Would it be the P sound? P. Pear. Or would it be the G sound? G. Pear. I think so too. P. Pear. How about a pig? That's not a real pig. That's a stuffed pig. Would pig start with the J sound? J. Pig. Would it start with the P sound? P. Pig. Or would it start with the G sound? G. Pig. Oh, pig. Right there. How about this? You may have seen these outside. That's a goose. Goose. Say goose. What sound do you hear that starts goose? G. Goose. J. Goose. P. Goose. Yep. Goose. All right, so now we know the J sound for letter J, the P sound for letter P, and the G sound for letter G. I have 3 more letters. We're going to do it because we're so smart. All right, oh, look at that. We have the K sound for a kitten. Say kitten, kitten. So it starts with a K. We have the letter M. Make the M sound for mittens. It's getting cold. You should wear your mittens. And we have the letter B, which makes the B sound for banana. Banana. All right. I'm going to start with this word. This is a mask. Say mask. Does mask start with the K sound? Mask. Does it start with the M sound? Mask. Or does it start with the B sound? Mask. Which letter makes the M sound? Yep, letter M. Mask starts with M. How about this animal? That's a kangaroo. Kangaroo. What sound do you hear at the beginning of kangaroo? K, k. Would that be K, 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 kitten, kangaroo? Would it be M, mitten, kangaroo? Or would it be B, banana, kangaroo? Which one makes the K sound? Yep, the K, K, K for kangaroo. How about this one? Ooh, that's a little mouse. Mouse. Cats like to chase mice. Mice is more than one mouse. What sound does mouse start with? Does it start with K, K, mouse? Does it start with M, mouse? Or does it start with B, mouse? Mouse starts with the M sound. How about this one? This is a bus. Some kids ride the school bus to school. Some kids walk. Some kids get dropped off. Some kids ride their bikes. Bus. Say bus. Bus. Does bus start with the K sound? Bus. 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 Oh, I think that sounds the same. How about this one? Key. You need this to get into your house. A key. Say key. K, key. Does key begin with the K, key sound? Key. B, key. I think it's K, K, K like kitten and key and kangaroo. All right, how about this one? This is a ball. B, ball. Say B, ball. All right, where do you think it goes? K, ball. Ball. B, ball. I make the same sound with my lips for B, ball. How about this one? This is a medal. Ooh, if you do something really extra great, you could probably get a medal. Does medal start with the K sound? K, medal. Medal. B, medal. I think it's medal. How about, oh, I love these. These are so much fun. They are what? Balloons. Say balloons. Balloons. K. Balloons. Balloons. B. B. Balloons. Good job. All right, last one. Don't you wish sometimes that you were the king? K. King. Say king. Okay. Would king start with K? King? King? Or B, king? K, k. King would be the K. Good job. All right, we worked on 6 sounds today. Maybe we'll do 6 more tomorrow. I don't know. I miss you, and I wish I was in your classrooms right now, but I'm not. We'll see you soon. Love you guys. Bye-bye.